Did you know that the sun makes a sound? It's true, but we can't hear it. The sun generates pressure waves that travel through space. These waves are huge, with wavelengths stretching hundreds of miles, far beyond what human ears can detect. Even though we can't hear it, scientists use special instruments to study these sound waves. They help us learn more about the sun's activities, like solar flares and its inner structure. The sun is always buzzing in its own way. We just need the right tools to listen. Did you know that the sun makes a sound?